Welcome back, guys. So this is question 2.35 of our book, and the statement of it is find a I0, I1 and I2 in the circuit in figure P 2.35. So this is the circuit, and here we have to find this I0, I1 and I2. Okay, so whatever it is given here is that this is a one loop, while these are the other loops which are on the other side of this circuit. Okay, so here we can see that this is a dependent current source which depends upon this V delta. V delta is here across this 6 ohm resistor, which is in series with this 12 ohm and 18 volts voltage source. Okay, so let us first find out this V delta, and this I0 is basically the current which is flowing through this loop as well. So first of all, let us have this I0 here. Let me call it this I0, and in order to find out this I0, let us apply the KVL, and according to KVL, this V18 here, let me call this one as V18. This is the voltage rise. If we take this current, this is equal to the V12 voltage across this 12 ohm resistor plus V6 the voltage across this 6 ohm resistor. Okay, so the value of V18 is known, that is 18. The value of V12 is the current multiplied by the resistance according to the Ohm's law. So that is I0 multiplied by 12 plus this V6, which is the current, which is I0 multiplied by the 6 ohm resistor. Okay, so that is what we have here. So according to this one, and finding out the I0 from here, this will be the 18 divided by 18, and that is 1 amperes. Okay, so the value of I0 is 1 ampere. From it, let me find out V6. So V6 is basically V delta, and this V delta is 6 into I0. Okay, so finding it out, we will get it 6 volts. Okay, so the value of V delta is 6 volts. Similarly, here we can say that this is I0, but the direction here of this V0 is that of opposite of it. So therefore, this is the opposite of this one. So therefore, this is I0 here is minus 1 ampere. Okay, you should keep it in your mind that the direction of this I0 and this current are in opposite direction. So therefore, this one is minus 1 ampere. Similarly, now we can see that this current is V delta by 2. So therefore, the value of V delta by 2 is 3 amperes, and we can see that this is the 3 amperes, the downward direction. If we consider these two are in parallel with each other, which are already in parallel, so if this is 3 amperes, the opposite of it is minus 3 amperes, because this negative sign basically demonstrates the direction of the current. So if this minus 3 is coming towards these two resistors which are in parallel with each other, so in order to find the value of I1 and I2, we can use the current divider law. Okay, so according to the current divider law, we have here what this I1 and I2 are the currents we want to find out, and this minus 3 amperes is the current which is the source current. So now in order to find the value of I1, we need to write the total of the resistors which are connected in parallel with each other. So this is 5 plus 10 equal to 15, and if I want to find out the value of I1, I need to write the value of 5 here and multiplying with it the source current which is here. Okay, so let me find it out. It is here, and it will be minus 1 ampere. The value of I1 is 1 ampere. Similarly, in order to find the value of I2 through current divider rule, we have to divide it over the same values which are the addition of the resistances of the resistors which are connected in parallel. So it is 15 because of this 10 plus 5, and with it I have to write the value of the opposite resistor in the numerator. So the opposite resistor of this I2 is this 10 ohm. So therefore this is 10 and multiplying it with the source current. Okay, I think you have got my point. So this is here 5 2, so this is minus 2 amperes. Okay, so this is minus 1 minus 2 and the value of I naught is also minus 1. Okay, so I hope you have got all the concepts which I wanted to demonstrate in this question. So these are basically the solutions here. This I naught, this is the solution of part A, I1 is here, this is for B, and this I2, this is for C as well. Okay, so that's it for today. If you guys have any question relevant to this question 2.35, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.